So today, I'm going to make one of my favorite recipes. Something that's pretty quick and easy to make. It's a little lemon Parmesan asparagus. All you're going to need for this is a little extra virgin olive oil, a little bit of butter, some Miracle Blend from my favorite place to get spices, the Alden Pepper Mill in Alden, Michigan, a little lemon juice, and of course some Parmesan cheese. Now what you're going to do is heat up a little bit of olive oil, throw some butter into that pan, add a little bit of Miracle Blend, heat that up a little bit. As that gets warm enough, I'm going to break the asparagus in half, place it into the pan and mix it up so it gets coated in the olive oil. After it's cooked a little bit, go ahead and throw some lemon juice on it, a little bit of Parmesan cheese, let that roll around a little bit in that pan, cook a little bit more until it's as tender as you want it to be. I like a little crunch left in it. Pull it off of the pan, plate it next to your favorite dinner, and enjoy. Now, if you happen to like what you're seeing, I ask you to do me a huge favor. Hit that like button. The more likes I get, the more views I'm going to end up with. Why not subscribe to the channel? And if you'd be so kind, please share this video with your friends. It really does make a difference. Helps me make more videos. I know people are enjoying what I'm doing. Thank you for watching and stay till the end. So please, let me know what you think in the comments section. Thank you.